It used to be you could put out a help wanted advertisement and people would come and you could pick from the very best. Then times changed and you could put out an advertisement on social media for help wanted. You need workers, and people would come and you could pick the very best. Is it the same today? Times have changed. Are you finding your recruitment efforts to be a little more challenging now? Well, to help with this is Shawn Day with Blue Sky Services, one of the presenters at ISSA Show North America 2021. Shawn's presentation is an all-access pass session brought to you in the residential cleaning track by ARCSI, a division of ISSA. His title, his theme of his presentation is Never Be Short-Staffed Again. And it's on Wednesday, November 17th at 1 p.m. Pacific time. Well, Shawn, I think we all want to know how not to be short-staffed again and get the very best workers. Tell us, why should people come hear your presentation on this topic?
Thank you, Jeff. I appreciate it. One of the things I can tell you is that I owned a business, a cleaning business for 20 years in Cleveland, Ohio. I had 42 cleaning technicians and about 50 employees. And so I've got a world of experience in recruiting. I got together with Blue Sky Services and we decided we wanted to buy some cleaning companies around the country. We did that. We bought a cleaning company in St. Louis. And it was a big company. George and Kathy owned it for 30 years. George and Kathy retired when we bought it, and about 15 employees walked out the door the following week. So we got hit in the face pretty hard, realizing at that time that we were mediocre at recruiting at that time. This is several years back. Fast forward a little bit, and after about 11 months of me speaking with people much smarter than I am in the recruiting world and testing platforms and tracking systems and so on, we developed an automated recruiting system for our company, and it works very, very well in any labor market. So that is been the start of the Never Be Short-Staffed Again. That is our automated recruiting system that I want to share with everybody at the show.